Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make an easy glow-in-the-dark ghost charm out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have 2 equal-sized balls of glow-in-the-dark and white translucent clay, and I'm going to mix the 2 together to form one single colour. You could just use glow-in-the-dark on its own, but I want the end colour when it's not glowing to be a little bit more cream-coloured than green. So once they're fully mixed, I've gone ahead and pinched off 2 tiny sized balls, and I'm saving them for later. But first I've rolled the rest of the clay into a big ball, and I'm rolling one side into a teardrop shape. And then pinching the end to a point. And then just bending and curving it so that it looks like a backwards letter J. I'm then placing the teardrop shape onto my work surface with the tail pointing down and the round part facing up, and then lightly pressing the front and sides so that it flattens the back of the ghost. So now it's time to add the face, so I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And then adding in little balls of light brown. And a little tiny smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm brushing on some pink chalk pastel. Next, for the ghost little hands, I'm taking the 2 tiny balls from earlier and placing them onto the sides of the ghost. And then in goes an eye pin to turn it into a charm. And I'm baking it fully using my package's instructions. Then when it's fully cooled down, I'm securing the eye pin with some Superglue. And glazing it with some UV resin to make it nice and shiny. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!